Protecting your business from cybercrime is crucial in today's digital age. Over recent years, we have witnessed the surge in cybercrime and understand its impact on businesses. With cloud made simple, you can leverage our 17 years of experience to safeguard your business. Our approach is as follows. We first get to know your business, its operations, and its specific needs. This understanding allows us to tailor our services to provide the best protection for your unique situation. We then apply the appropriate security controls to protect your business. These controls are designed to prevent unauthorized access, detect potential threats, and respond effectively to any security incidents. And finally, we continuously monitor the security landscape and update our strategies and controls as needed to ensure your business remains protected. Remember, no business is too small or too large to be a target of cybercrime.